Yes, my lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa, and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Yes, so finally, let's sit down and give a good energy update with my tarot cards. Yes, so like I said in another video, so I am using this tarot deck, I think after ages. Yes, so when I was planning my trip from Hyderabad, I packed this tarot deck. Yes, so let's see, I'm in my farmhouse. Yes, and the weather is beautiful. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. Yes, so let's begin. Yes, so I am using the Wild Unknown tarot deck. Yes, so yeah, I think I'm using this after ages. Yes, so I'm very excited to convey and see what's the energy update that I have. Yes, so let's begin. Yes, so let me give this a quick shuffle. I'm using this tarot deck, I think, after ages. Yes, okay, so I see a Three of Wands below, a lot of progress in your life towards positivity. Yes, I also feel like Three of Wands also talks about, because like I said, Wands talks about a lesson learned. So I also see a lesson learned. Yes, that very strongly that you learned. Yes, in your journey. Okay, so let's give this a quick shuffle and see what is the energy update we have. Yes, and yeah. So okay, so what's the first card? Spirits, please give me what's the first card. Oh my god, so we have a Nine of Swords. Someone really is in a lot of pain. I see a Divine Feminine's a little bit in pain. Like I said, I hurt my hand, like I fell on my entire shoulder, and I've been resting by this hand. I've been wearing bands, so yes, that's definitely the energy. I see physical pain here with Nine of Swords, because we're beginning this reading with lot of pain. Yes, so yeah, so I see healing, or I see I'm also getting the energy that 90% of your pain is done. Yes, that is the energy. I'm very strongly tapping into a female energy. So I feel like 90% of your pain is done, and this is universe asking you that this physical pain was also part of your cycle. So I definitely see here a health issue which a Divine Feminine went through. For me, it is absolutely true. Yes, so yeah, I'm still healing my hand, and I'll tell you, I already had the issue of frozen shoulder. With this, it worsened. So one shot, I want to heal it this time. Yes, so yeah, so I see a physical pain which was also like a karmic cycle. So yes, so any health issue or a health thing like you guys are going through, definitely Divine Feminines, I see you coming out of it. Yes, and the next card that we have is, oh wow, Two of Cups. Like I always say, my Two of Cups card is my twin flame card. So here I see you guys in a soul connection. Yes, soul connection, let me tell you, can always be with also yourself. Yes, it need not always be, let me just put this in the top. Okay, it need not always be with only a physical partner. Yes, or with another opposite sex or same sex or whatever. Yes, it can always be even to within yourself. Yes, so yes, so Two of Cups also talks about I feel like you're slowly connecting to yourself. I'll tell you what's happening. So as I came out of a journey, because this is the year number of 8, and I have really cut out negative energy from my life. I'm going to talk about this in another video, wherein I'm really going to talk about orange aura. Yes, the power of orange aura. And I made a video wherein I spoke about how orange aura is so important this year. In the year 2024, it is the year of orange aura. Yes. So yes, I'm going to talk about in that video what is the power of orange aura and what orange aura have in store for them, in the remaining part of the year. Yes. And one more energy that I'm very strongly getting is, like as you come out of this, like I was saying, yes, Spirit's confirmation, my wind chimes are ringing. Yes. So yeah, so as you come out, for me especially, there is a lot of balance in me, and I can see things with a clearer vision. When you complete your inner union, a karmic victory, and reach the other side, you have some form of Divya Shakti, an extra lens, an extra pair of lens, which helps you see things with a lot of clarity. Yes, and when you see things with a lot of clarity and you kick out negativity, negative people and everything out of your life, you feel this inner peace, and wherein you connect with yourself in the true form. You understand when there is no this chitty chatty, this gossip, he said this, she said this, I'm just out of it. And I think I understand this because this is something that my twin taught me. Yes, And when I've reached this phase, oh my god, it feels magical because I'm not part of all these controversial things. My energy is very pure and it is to myself. So Two of Cups here talks about energy to yourself. Yes? Okay, so let's see what's the next card. Okay, so we have Daughter of Wands, which is a very strong page of Wands. Okay, so when I started this cutout, I didn't do sudden. I tuned myself to, cut out little by little. I went slow, I took baby steps. So this Daughter of Wands talks about something lesser than a queen. Yes, taking baby steps. You're getting there. Yes, and since my mother is a orange aura, so I also learned a lot of things. I'm going to talk about this in the next video, so I wanted to also see the orange aura video. Yes, so I, as my mom's daughter being, she's orange aura, there is a lot of things that I underwent personally, changes. Yes, so definitely I see, I've also understood, like for example gold aura, I being gold aura, I just come in people's life to give light and then just vanish. I feel like my role, I've understood in this journey, soul mission, yes, is to shine light. Yes, like it is not always sunlight. Night also needs to come. There is the time of moonlight as well. Yes, so I feel like my role in anybody's life and all of the people that I walk in as a psychic, and obviously like I address myself Queen Divine Feminine and all of that, is to give light. Like my name, my father gave the apt name. Yes, is to give light and then just vanish. My role is for them to then find their own light. Yes, I've understood the power of this, of how important it is for me to also cut out myself from everyone. Okay, so like this, I also understood the power of orange aura, and I've understood that every aura comes with, I think I'm going to talk about this in another video. Yes, every aura comes for a particular reason in your life. Yes, okay. So now coming to, let's go by colors since we're talking about this. I feel like white aura comes in your life to teach, like my dad was white aura. So white aura comes in your life to teach you calmness because it's a color of peace. Yes, and I think that because they fall so much in karmics, like I told about how blue is always surrounded by karmics, but a white aura is something that is influenced by karmics. So when you see a white aura being influenced by karmics, it gives you, like, you learn, how do I say, like you learn from the mistakes of others. Yes, so when white aura, you see that white aura are influenced so much by karmics, and it's very tough to get a white aura. Sometimes I thank God that my twin is not a white aura. Yes, it's very tough to bring out a white aura from karmic cycle. So during this time, you have to, your energy need to really be very strong to bring out your white aura. If your DM is white aura, and I see that, I think I told about this, that 60% divine masculines in this twin flame journey are white auras. Yes, others fall in the other buckets. Yes, so you will see very few DM who are orange aura, red aura, blue aura, like my case. So like that, very few, like that set is, so there is an advantage, there is also a disadvantage. The disadvantage is you don't have anybody to guide you for these auras, because white aura is very, like, you can watch YouTube videos and connect very easily. Okay, so that is about white aura. Yes, and now coming to red aura. Okay, so red aura are so fierce that they teach you when to calm down. Yes, they're so, like, everything in life need not be achieved with violence. There is a lot of, I feel like because it's a very strong Mars influence. Yes, so yes, I am yet to meet a divine feminine who's white aura, by the way. Yeah, I wanted to add that I haven't met any divine feminine who's white aura. Okay, so yeah, so now coming to red aura. Red aura are so, like in Telugu you say tondara ekkuva, like, too much impulsive. Yeah, they're impulsive. Yes, their positive point is because it's so wants influence, they give you the spontaneity, just go for it. I think that red auras give, because because my soulmate is red aura. Yes, so I've seen that spontaneity, but when you have to little bit control them to get into negativity. If it's towards running towards positive, that's very good. Yes, but if it's towards negative, you have to control them a little bit. Yes, okay, so now coming to other colors. So pink aura, I think lack opinion. Yes, so if you give, if they are in influence of a very good like someone who is a very strong aura, like your gold, red, yes, or orange, they can be shown direction with very strong, like they fall in the right bucket. So always they need a little bit of confirmation, like an opinion. Yes. And now coming to what else we have yellow aura. Yellow and gold, I just feel like yellow is just like your personified pro max is gold. Yes, because it's the same family. Gold and yellow are very nearby each other. Yes, so yellow I feel like are always happy go lucky. Yes, and the negative here is they see positive in every negative person. Yes, so that needs to be a little bit controlled. Yes, so yeah, so now what else we have? So we have a green aura. Yes, so green aura come, I really studied green aura, because it's a karmic color, but I've also studied the DF who are green aura. Yes, so I feel like green aura are very headstrong. Yes, so I've really studied, especially I feel like in all the auras I've really studied green aura. Okay, so the first thing is it's very Mercury influenced. So when a green aura will come in your life, yes, it is very verbal, because it will have the talent of Mercury. Yes, Mercury is very verbal. Mercury is very straightforward. Is very practical. Yes, so Mercury, like if I have seen that green auras, especially who are divine feminines, are extremely like very practical, very very straightforward. They don't care who likes them, who don't like them. Yes, I see that. So I think that if they have this color, see, I don't want to judge any color. I believe that if you are chosen for this color, the only issue that I think that they fight is jealousy. Yes, green is because of that, because they will have a little bit of that karmic influence. Yes, jealousy is very strong. Yes. So the next aura, obviously blue aura. Okay, so I haven't met apart from my own DM, so I know another only DM that is also blue aura. So apart from that, I don't know any divine feminines who are in the blue aura, but it's a very emotional. Yes, they really put their heart first in everything. Yes, and I've seen that with my twin. Yes, so but they give their heart. I think they're 100% it. Yes, blue is a very like water, like depth of water. Yes, so that is a positive, because they show how deep is your love. Yeah, so yeah, what else we have? Okay, so we have the purple aura. So I feel if you're in influence of a purple aura, because I've seen so much of purple snake in my journey. Yes, purple aura come to teach you what are the negative, like I want to put it in the right words. Yes, they show so much negative that you start thinking of the positives that you have. Yes, I have seen this. Yes, okay. So with purple, because I have seen for 3 years purple snake in my dream, that is the only color I've seen. And the other color that I have seen is red and black snake, which I told in one of my video. I've just seen once. Yes, so I understood with purple auras, they are so negative, pessimistic. Yes, so negative that when you see them, you start realizing of how thankful you are that there is so much positive energy in you, so much. Yes, they show so much negativity that you are thankful that you don't have such attitude, you don't have so much, you have optimism left in you. I think every aura represents a color. So I think like the purple auras really need to work on their negativity. Yes, they're very pessimistic. That no wonder I was so much in headache of seeing a purple snake, and I even contacted my my tarot card reader that I learned from my guru. Yes, so yeah, so you have in purple aura, I think the plus point is they're very like tomboyish. It's a very, I really love to wear purple clothing. I love wearing purple, I love wearing pink, I love wearing red. Yes, so yeah, so it's all about, I think the plus point of purple is, I feel like it is like blunt. I think that is a terminology which I would like to use. Yes, so yeah, let's go to the next card and see what is the next card that we have. Oh my god, my hand is paining. I'm just going to put these cards in the back. Yes, okay, so what's the card that we have? So we have the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, so it's like a network building. I feel like you have undergone so much, and I always believe that this year was a year of lessons. So even I learned the lessons. I'm going to talk about this in the orange aura. So I think that's it, is the video. I think I just shared a little bit light about all the auras. Yeah, so I'm feeling to stop. So we're gonna go into the. So yes, my lovelies, that is a short sweet video. Yes, so let's get into the orange aura video, and I'm gonna talk to you in depth. Yes, so I'm still yet to think what will be the title of this video. So yes, my lovelies. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Yes, we're gonna hit 200k. Yes, I'm very excited. Yes, my lovelies, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.